For more than half a century, humanity has looked at the moon, not as a destination, but as a memory. The last time humans traveled beyond low Earth orbit was in 1972, during the era of Apollo program. Since then, generations have grown up under the same moon, but without ever seeing humans return to it. Until now, this is the story of Artemis II, the mission that will carry humans back toward deep space. Not to land, not yet, but to prove that humanity is ready to go further than ever before. This is not just a mission. This is the beginning of a new era. Why we left, and why we're back. After the Apollo missions, the world changed. Priorities shifted. The space race ended, and human exploration beyond Earth orbit came to a halt. For decades, astronauts remained close to Earth, working aboard stations like the International Space Station. But something was missing: the desire to explore, the need to push boundaries. And now, powered by new technology and global ambition, NASA launched the Artemis Program, a bold plan to return humans to the moon and eventually reach Mars. Artemis II is its first crewed step. For astronauts, one mission, a journey that will define a generation. Reed Wiseman, the commander leading the mission. Victor Glover, the pilot guiding Orion. Christina Koch, mission specialist and record-setting astronaut. Jeremy Hansen, representing Canada and international collaboration. They are not just astronauts. They are explorers, preparing to travel farther than any human has gone in over 50 years. To reach the moon, NASA built something extraordinary. The Space Launch System, a rocket designed to carry humans deeper into space than ever before. Standing taller than the Statue of Liberty, SLS produces more thrust than even the legendary Saturn V. At launch, millions of pounds of thrust will shake the Earth. And inside, at the very top, sits Orion, the spacecraft that will carry the crew. The Orion spacecraft is not just a capsule, it's a lifeline. Built to withstand the harsh vacuum of space and the extreme heat of re-entry, Orion is designed for missions far beyond Earth orbit. Inside, the astronauts will live and work in a compact but advanced environment. Supporting Orion is the European Service Module, built by European Space Agency, providing power, propulsion, and life support. This is not just engineering. This is survival in deep space. The countdown begins.
T-10.
9. Engines ignite. The ground trembles. A column of fire erupts beneath the rocket as SLS lifts off, carrying humanity's hopes back toward the moon. Within minutes, the crew escapes Earth's atmosphere. And then comes a critical moment: the translunar injection burn. This is where Orion fires its engines and commits fully to the journey to the moon. There is no turning back. As Earth shrinks behind them, the astronauts enter a realm few humans have ever experienced. Deep space. No protective magnetic field. No quick return home. Only the vast silence of the cosmos. Inside Orion, the crew will conduct experiments, test navigation systems, and prepare for future missions. They will also witness something unforgettable: Earth as a distant blue marble. As Orion approaches the moon, it will swing around the far side, a region never visible from Earth. Communication will be lost. For a brief moment, the crew will be completely alone. Then, they emerge and witness one of the most breathtaking sights in human history: Earthrise, a fragile blue world rising above the gray, silent surface of the moon. After completing their lunar flyby, Orion begins its journey back to Earth. But returning is just as dangerous as leaving. As the spacecraft re-enters Earth's atmosphere, temperatures outside soar to nearly 3,000 degrees Celsius. The heat shield glows. The capsule shakes violently. And then, parachutes deploy. The ocean rushes closer. Splashdown. Mission complete. Why Artemis II matters. Artemis II is not the final goal. It is the beginning. This mission will pave the way for Artemis III, which aims to land humans on the moon once again. Beyond that lies something even greater: Mars. The technologies tested, the lessons learned, and the courage demonstrated during Artemis II will shape the future of human exploration. For decades, the moon has been a symbol of what humanity once achieved. Now it represents something more: what we are about to become. Artemis II is not just about going back. It's about moving forward, toward a future where humans are not limited to one planet, where the night sky is no longer unreachable, and where the next giant leap is already underway.